All right, good morning, trade pros. Welcome to the morning market update for this beautiful Thursday, January the 16th. I'm in the back of a truck. If you guys wondering where I am, I'm safe. You don't have to call the police. I'm here on my own will. I haven't been kidnapped. We're headed to spend a couple days up in Montreal to do some snowboarding. But in the meanwhile, I'm going to still be here to do the morning market update with you guys. First and foremost, today's the big day. The book is out, and I want to say thank you guys so much for supporting. Here's the first copy ever. This one says not for sale. This isn't the actual cover, but this is the book itself, is what it looks like. And it's a good read. It's a short read. I'm somebody who didn't used to read a lot of books. Now I read a ton, so I appreciate the value of a short and concise book. What this book is all about is it's kind of my story. But more importantly, at the end of every chapter, there's like questions and exercises to help you develop your story as well. Because the most important thing about life is the story we leave. That's what I honestly believe. And regardless of how much money we make trading, none of that matters. It's the story that we're creating. So in this book, I share my story with you, and then I challenge you to create your own as well. So for anyone who bought it, love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting this project. The book's called Path to Profit, and it was anything but a straight path. There was twists, there were turns, and I know sometimes we look at our chapter 1 and compare it to somebody's chapter 10, for example, but I want you to know where it started from the very beginning. From my family immigrating to Canada and sleeping on the bench at Terminal 1 of Pearson Airport for the first night to where we're at now. So one hell of a journey. Thank you for buying it. Thank you so much for supporting. I love you all. Links in the description of this YouTube video, and I hope you give it a shot. And for the next 24 hours only, it's $5.76, and then after that the price goes up. I've marked it as low as my publishing contract will allow me to. I wanted to give it for free, but it couldn't, and so get next 24 hours. This is your chance to get it for 70-some-odd% off. $5.76. Good investment. Love you guys. Let's talk about the market. My arm's getting a little sore holding up the phone. But yesterday, Donald Trump and President Xi signed the Phase 1 trade deal, the agreement, which is great. It's been 18 months in the process of a lot of jawboning, a lot of talk, and we finally have a trade deal. So in anticipation, the market's up. Dow Jones up 75 points. All right, it closed above 29,000 for the first time ever. All right, yesterday. I'm trying to see some of the comments. That's awesome. If you buy the book, you drive up to Canada, I'll absolutely sign it, and I'll buy you as many beers as you can tolerate in one evening. All right. So the trade deal has been signed. Donald Trump called it economic justice. China has agreed to buy $200 billion extra worth of U.S. goods. All right, drumming up more business for the United States. Trump has also said that in addition to this Phase 1 deal, Phase 2 could get started before the re-election coming up, or the election in November. So really that's putting some optimism, excitement in the market. And he also said that the Phase 2 deal will be the final step of the deal. A lot of people expected maybe 3-4 phases, but now we know that they're looking for one more phase, 2 big steps, rather than carrying this thing on for a long period of time. So the ability for them to do a Phase 2 deal actually puts a lot of excitement in the market. All right, it's a very bullish prospect. A thing that isn't as bullish is today's impeachment showdown starts officially at 12 p.m. Eastern. The 7 House managers will return, and they'll read the articles on the Senate floor for impeachment. And John Roberts, then the Chief of Justice, will be sworn in at 2 p.m. and he'll preside over the trial. He'll swear in all 100 senators, and the trial begins. All right. I don't think Donald Trump gets removed from office. It's statistically going to be next to impossible. There's always a chance of anything happening, but it's going to be interesting to see what evidence surfaces, how the process goes. Right now the market's shrugging it off. It's not really a major deal in the stock market, but it's something to definitely watch over at 12 p.m. Have your news running, listen to it, and then watch how the market reacts. There will be opportunity. I'm sad that I'm going to miss the opportunity, but I am happy to have a little bit of time off. I've been going real hard the last couple months, and a couple days off, and we got a lot of things planned for you in 2020. You guys have no idea what's coming. Very exciting stuff with trading, with the business, and I think now with this Phase 1 deal, the markets are going to start to move a little bit more predictably without having the constant shadow over their shoulders of what's the next tweak going to be, what's the next update going to be. Now we know phase one deal's done. That's in the book. Looks like equities are off to new all-time highs this morning. They're going to make a shot for it. You guys. So this internet's cutting out. It looks like there's a snowstorm. Distracted. All right, crude oil's up 0.4%. Gold's flat. Bitcoin's down 1.5% today. And we got quite a busy economic calendar. All right, so I'm going to wrap it up while I still have you, because we're getting into low connectivity here. But once again, guys, I want to say thank you so much for supporting the project. It's near and dear to my heart. And, it's awesome to be able to work with you. It's awesome to wake up every morning and do something that's literally my dream. You guys are all an extension of my family. Love you all. Pick up the book. And if you can, leave a comment in the Amazon section. Give it a rating, an honest rating. But it'll be 5, trust me. I put a lot of work into this. All right, thank you guys. Love you all. YouTube, take care. Have a great rest of your day. We got to open up the trade room. And this has been George, TRADEPRO Academy, from the back of the truck. And thanks, Will. Appreciate it, man. Schwab, thank you, sir. Love to know how you like it. Thank you, Craig. Webcoin, long beer now. You guys are so funny. I'm gonna buy beer. Firehawk, you should take me up on it, bro. That's what I'm here for. To be held honest and accountable to my promises. All right, Ben, good morning. Take care, YouTube. All the best. Have a great rest of your day. And take advantage of these markets. Every time I leave the office, the markets move a lot without fail. So get locked and loaded and make some money for me. Take care and have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.